no.
Hey.
Oh my God, he's on my door.
I want to tell someone this real quick.
Creepy. That was creepy.
There's a YouTuber called Exploding Tomato, and if you're watching this, Exploding Tomato, add me. If you add me, bro.
Happy Christmas.
So crazy, bro. I can't believe this. Bro.
Bro.
I'm a YouTuber with you now.
I'm a YouTuber with now.
Hey, I want to tell you something.
Should I
stop? Yeah. I want to tell you something. Shout out to Exploding Tomato. Bro, if you add me, bro, add me as a friend. My username is Little Ralphie 915. Or I can add you just right now. My brother's playing with my freaking playing with my Nintendo Switch.
Oh my God!
I play on Nintendo Switch. I think Exploding Tomato. Do you play on PC? If you add me as a friend, and if anything goes wrong, you can just invite me because I'm good at stuff. Have you ever had something wrong and maybe we can do one of those challenges again, like the one where you had to tell everybody, like you're pretending that one of your friends were getting you were pretending that like you banded your friend, but they didn't know that you guys were friends. Yeah. And you guys argued about little stuff. Yeah, I want you to add me, and maybe me and you can do that together. So be fire.